Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we will transform your nail game with our comprehensive guide to nail extension products. From cuticle care to acrylic application, we have got you covered. Learn the purpose of each tool from cuticle pusher to top shiny coats and how to use them for flawless nail extension. Subscribe now and elevate your nail grooming routine. Let's get started. First in line is the cutter and it is used to cut the nails. Next is cuticle pusher, and not just for pushing cuticles but also for maintaining a clean nail surface. The upper part is used to push the cuticle and the other part is to clean the dirt. Say goodbye to dry skin with the cuticle cutter. It is used to cut the cuticles near your nail. So this is called hard buffer. Buffing becomes an art with the hard buffer. It is used to remove the shine from the natural nails and to shape nails. Smooth out imperfection with the soft buffer, your secret weapon for removing excess product. Nail tips come in 10 sizes, starting from 0 to 9. Explore the significance of each size and learn how to cut them precisely with the nail tip cutter. Nail glue is the key to seamlessly sticking fake nail tips on the natural nails. Prep is the key to perfection. Primer or dehydrator plays a critical role in prepping your nails for a flawless finish. This is damping dish. This essential tool is your partner for pouring monomer liquid. The very important product, and it is monomer liquid, the secret to acrylic nail success. Unlock the magic of acrylic powder, the second most important product. Master the art of acrylic application with the acrylic brush. Top shiny coat is to seal the beauty of your creation. Wipes are all in one for cleaning nails, brushes and applying acrylic paint. Applying cuticle oil completes the nail care routine. That was a tour of essential nail tools and their magical uses. Subscribe, like and hit that notification bell to stay updated on our nail care series. Until next time, happy nail crafting.